In my backyard garden, the story doesn't just end with the harvest. Today, I am firing up the grill to make Cameroonian style smoked chicken. This is the flavor that adds so much to our bitter leaf, our njama, and even dishes such as the garden egg dish. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to my kitchen garden, a place where wellness, gardening, flavor, and culture blend together. So today I'm gonna be showing you how I make smoked chicken. Smoked chicken that you can use to make Khati with, you can use to make spicy chicken with, you can use to cook, quite frankly, any African vegetable. So I'm adding a little twist of diaspora because obviously I am in the diaspora. I'm in Houston, Texas. So I'm gonna be using this grill slash smoker here. I already have the charcoal going and I have wood in here. I'm gonna show you in a moment. And then I also have my chicken that is seasoned already. So this chicken I got from a farm, a poultry farm, and I had them cut it into just four halves. This is the hen. Okay, so it's like the chicken that laid eggs and now they're selling. So it's a little tough, which is okay. That's how we like to enjoy it. By smoking it, you kind of tenderize it a little and then you add flavor and it's so good. So I have seasoned my chicken with just 3 ingredients. I use salt, I use a little bit of Maggi cube, and then I added Cameroon pepper. Cameroon pepper is nothing but smoked chili peppers that are dried and ground. It's super flavorful. So those are the ingredients that I use to marinate my chicken with. The grill is now ready. Grill slash smoker is ready. And then I'm gonna now put the chicken on the grill. Let me show you. All right, let me give you a close-up view of the chicken. You see, I told you I had them cut it into 4 halves. So this is the wing part. I washed the chicken, seasoned it as already described. So that's that. And then that's the grill part of my whole grill. That is the smoker part. So this is gonna supply like indirect heat. As you can see, I have the charcoal there, and then I also have wood, and you know, this is the wood that I use. You can get it from Walmart. I bought the entire box from Walmart. So it gives that smoky flavor. I'm gonna go ahead and just put the chicken on the grill. Now, did I show you the charcoal that I use? Hang on. Now, this is a specific charcoal that I use. As you can see, it's 100% chemical free. It makes healthier barbecue, burns hotter, the good charcoal. They have it at Sam's Club. I highly recommend. This charcoal looks like the one that we have back home. See that? Anyway, so I'm just gonna go ahead now and put the chicken on the grill, and then I'll show you how it looks like. Okay, the chicken is now on the grill. As you can see here, I have the indirect heat coming from the log of wood, and then this. So I'm gonna go ahead and put the lid on and just let it do its thing. Okay, because I love y'all so much, let me share with you a little secret that I sometimes would use for my smoked stuff. This right here. Okay, so as you can see, this is flavored charcoal. So it's been flavored with garlic, onions, and paprika. These are briquettes. I'll show you how it looks like on the inside. So this adds flavor to your grilled or smoked stuff. I'm gonna just add a couple of them, maybe 6. Show you how I do it. So I'm just gonna add it, throw it in here. And that's gonna add a lot of flavor to my chicken. And you can also add it to beef, if you're smoking beef or pork, you can add it. So good. As you can see, the temperature on my barbecue says it's around 250. I want it to stay between that 250 and 300. So you don't want it too hot, just enough with the smoke building up, as you can see. Then the flame is over here, providing indirect heat. Okay, my smoker has been going for about maybe 2 hours now. Let's take a look. Ta-da! So this is what we're looking at. It's coming along nicely. It's wanting to rain, guys. So yeah, it's getting oxygen. The wood is getting oxygen from right here. So that's nice. All right, just letting it get some of that flame, that Khati smell. And I'm moving it to this other side where there's no flame. I just want it to feel burnt a little. Whoop, whoop, go right back here. Bonus smoke. And there you have it, Cameroonian style smoked chicken. It took me maybe 4 hours, 4 to 6 hours or so in total to make this. Look for a day where you're at home, maybe on a weekend or on a holiday to do this, because you need some time and you need to keep an eye on it as well. So yeah, it took me about 6 hours total, 4 to 6 hours, I want to say, to make this. Now we use this to make Khati. Khati is just a dish made with fire smoked chicken. It's chicken cooked in tomato sauce with some palm oil. We use that to eat like our fufu and jama, the garden huckleberry. That's the protein of choice. And yeah, usually it's people that have money back home that can afford this much protein. Our African dishes are mostly vegetarian. Now people add a bunch of meats in there. It didn't used to be like that. Anyway, we can use this chicken to cook our bitter leaf, our garden eggs, yeah, even things like okongobong, or you can just make spicy chicken. It is very, very versatile. I hope this added value to you, and if it did, please do not forget to thumbs up the video and also share the video with another brother, another sister who might be interested in all of these dishes that connect us to our roots. And if you're not from Africa, I still hope you enjoyed this video. It's something everybody can try. I appreciate all the love and support I've been receiving from all of you, from the tribe. Thank you so much. Let me know in the comment section if you would like to see me cook this chicken further. Okay, I'll be waiting for you in the comment section. Thank you and bye-bye.